Hi everyone, today we will solve another problem of development of solids. So this is the problem. A cube of 50 mm side length rests on HP in such a way that the vertical faces are equally inclined to VP. A horizontal hole of 36 mm diameter is drilled through the geometrical center of the cube and perpendicular to VP. Draw the lateral surface of the cube having the hole. So this is very clear from the question. The cube is resting on HP in such a way that it is equally inclined. So in the top view, you can see a square which is placed equally inclined, and in the front view you can see a rectangle. Now a horizontal hole of 36 mm diameter is drilled through the geometric center of the cube and perpendicular to VP. That means the hole is drilled in the cube through the geometric center in such a way that the hole is perpendicular to VP. Axis of the hole is perpendicular to VP. That means the hole is visible in the front view. And you are asked to develop the lateral surfaces showing the hole. So let's see how to solve this problem. So this is the step 1. In the top view you can see a cube. In the front view you can see a rectangle. Top view you can see the square which is equally inclined. And give the names as A, B, C, D, and top surfaces E, F, G, H. Similarly in the front view. In step 2, you have to develop the cube. That means you have to develop the lateral surfaces in such a way that it is total 4 into 50. So that is the total development of the figure. And in the next step, you divide the developed cube into 4 equal parts, each of length 50, which is shown in figure. Now here you have to drill the hole. In the question it is mentioned that the hole is perpendicular to VP and it is horizontal hole. So we can see the hole in the front view. So you draw a circle of size 36 mm diameter in which the center of the circle is nothing but the geometric center of the cube. So you take the center of the rectangle which is viewed in the elevation. Taking it as center, you draw the circle of size 36 mm and divide into 8 equal parts as we are doing in different circle problems. Now you give the names to the parts named to 8 points 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 8 for the circle. And in order to obtain the corresponding cutting points in the top view, you project it downwards. From the point 1 dash, you project downwards, you get the point 1. Similarly, 2 dash, you project downwards, also 8 dash, so you get the point 2 and 8. Similarly, 3 and 7, 5 and 4 and 6 and 5. So you get all the cutting points in the top view. Now in the next step, in order to get these points like 1, 2, etc. up to 8 in the development of the cube, you have to follow these steps. You measure the distance to the point 1 from A in the top view. Please note, you measure the distance to the point 1 from A in the top view. I am marking it as L1 and mark that distance correspondingly in the development from the point A. So you get the point 1, you draw a line, so that is a line of 1, 1. Similarly, you measure the distance to the point 2 from A in the top view and mark it correspondingly along the development from A. You get the point 2 and 8. So you draw a line 2, 8. So likewise, you draw all the lines like 4, 6, 5, 5, 3, 7. Similarly, 1, 1, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6 and 5, 5. Once you get all these all these cutting points in the development, we can go for the projection. Now in the next step, you project from each and every point in the elevation. From the circle in the elevation, you project from 1 dash till it meets the line 1. So you get the point 1. You project 2 dash and 4 dash till it meets the line 2 and 4. So you get the point 2 and 4. You project it from 3 dash till it meets the line of 3. So you get 3. Similarly, so likewise you get all the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You extend further in order to get the second hole. So you are getting again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you can see you are getting two set of points. So once you get all these points, you join it using your free hand. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it is nothing but you have to join it free hand because it is a whole. Don't use scales or straight lines to join these points. It should be freehand drawing. So what you are getting is nothing but an ellipse, two ellipse in the development, which is according to the condition given in the question. And so this is the final solution of the given problem. Thank you.